Hey there, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a Nooie baby camera. We'll go through each step together, so don't worry if you're not tech savvy. Let's get started. First off, let's take a look at what's inside the box. You should have the quick start guide, a sticker, a camera, 3M sticker, a power cable, a power adapter. Make sure to keep all the parts in a safe place. Before we start setting up the camera, we need to download the Nooie app. The app is where you'll be able to monitor the camera, receive alerts, and adjust settings. Go to the App Store or Play Store and search for Nooie. Download and install the app. Using the included power adapter, plug in the camera to an electrical outlet. Wait for a minute or two until the camera powers up and the LED light turns on. Now that the camera is powered up, let's connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Open the app and follow the on-screen instructions to connect the camera to your Wi-Fi network. Make sure to enter the correct Wi-Fi password. Now that the camera is connected to the Wi-Fi network, let's position it where you want it to be. Make sure to place it in an area where it can capture the best view. Let's do a quick test to ensure the camera is working correctly. Open the app and check the live feed. Congratulations, you've successfully set up your Wi-Fi camera. Now you can stay connected with your loved ones anytime, anywhere.